Chapter 18, Part 2, Translation. Je tiens à vous dire la nouvelle. So this is a tenir à expression. I insist on telling you the news. So insist on would be a good translation. Il me tient pour son ennemi. So here we've got tenir. Il me tient pour son ennemi. That's one of the rarer expressions you might have to look up in the dictionary. He takes me for his enemy. Il a tenu compte de tout ce que je lui avais dit. He took into consideration everything that I had said to him. So, il a tenu compte, so that's he took into consideration, passé composé, tout ce que, all that I and then avait dit had said to him, that's a pluperfect because we said it before he took it into account to him. So he took into consideration everything that I had said to him. Je tiens tellement à lui. So here, tiens à is to value something. Je tiens tellement à lui could be translated maybe as I cherish him so much or I value him so much.